Hello guys, how are you all? So today we are going to change an iPhone for Aman. So you see, we are changing this one to maybe 10 or 11. So the main use for him is playing PUBG. He's a PUBG fan and taking photos and stuff. So maybe we'll buy 10 or 11. But in this video, I will tell you all the plans and how you can buy Apple products in Australia and what are the prices for the plans. So yeah, here we go. This is Sunday today and so guys, here we have Telstra, Optus and Vodafone stores. So we will go in Vodafone first. Are we going in Vodafone first?
Yeah, we are going.
So first we are going to Vodafone first, and then let's see how it goes. He is the buyer. Okay. Wherever he wants to go. So Aman is from Delhi and he works in Domino's. So Telstra is here, Vodafone is on the other side, and there is Optus as well. So guys, we are moving to Vodafone and now we are going to Optus. So we have got the information about that. Now we will compare it with Optus as well as Telstra, and then we will finalize the phone. We have got the plan for this one. We are after either 11 Pro or 11. So let's see how it goes.
What do you want?
So we are after 11 or 11 Pro. It's all here.
Which one would you prefer?
These two.
11 or 11 Pro.
11 Pro is pretty good. It's got the 3 cameras and stuff. 256, 64,
64.
24 or 36.
Both is like if you want to see.
And then let's say you pick a plan. You're looking at about 121. Give you 60 gig of data.
Okay.
That'll probably be one of the best ones there. Or you can do $45. We'll make it $4 cheaper, and it'll be 30 gig
Per month.
Yeah.
So guys, Optus is done and now we are going to Telstra. So then we will compare and buy whichever is the cheapest. So let's see how it goes. Now, what you have decided? Now we'll just sit for, you can sit here only. So guys, we have finalized iPhone 11 from Vodafone. We had option between Vodafone, Telstra and Optus, but Vodafone was the cheapest, so we are going for that. Now Aman has gone for his passport and stuff to get the phone, so yeah. And also I want to buy something from Kmart, so we'll go to Kmart, it's just here, and then we'll go to Vodafone and get the phone. So yeah. Very sick. So I am after a vegetable cutter so that I don't have to chop the things. I can just do the vegetables by that. So it's a vegetable chopper. It's easier. This is a better iron, better than the normal ones. It's $50 and you can just do it. We have it home. I'll show you someday. So guys, things are way cheaper in here. So if you convert it in Indians, it's like 60 rupees. 60 rupees INR. It's very cheap and good quality for 60 rupees. So guys, after finding for like 1 hour, finally we got it. It was only 3 of them left. much of the stock is not there, so only this one is here. This is a very good thing. Whenever you come from India to here, just buy this. It's $6, but it will save a lot of your time and energy. So it's a good thing. So yeah. Thank you. That's one only. Yeah. No flybys. Yeah. Thank you. Have a good one. Thank you. There is a lady at the front of the door, and she counts the people who are walking in and walking out, so that they can maintain the number of people inside the store because of Corona. So that's a good thing. And we have bought the thing. Now we'll go to buy the iPhone, and then we'll go home.
A few moments later.
So guys, finally he has got his passport and stuff, and we are just going to Vodafone and buy the phone. So guys, we are waiting outside because not more than 5 people can go inside. So we are waiting outside for our turn, and then we will buy phone for this guy. So guys, finally we are getting this one. नहीं सही.
So I've got black and white stock. I'll just check to see if we can order the green one. Guys, enjoy your new phone. Any issues, just come on in. No worries.
Thank you. Have a good one. Thank you. So guys, finally we have got the new member over there, iPhone 11. I'll do the unboxing going home. And you happy?
Yeah, very.
Yeah. Oh, good. So we'll go home and see you there.
Bro, 2 minutes.